Because the northern hemisphere receives more intense sunlight from the sun at a more direct angle in the summer, temperatures are usually at their highest during these months. With the increase of light and heat in the summer, plants grow big and strong. Young animals are born and grow strong during this fruitful time as well. As the earth revolves and summer turns to autumn, both the temperature and the environment begin to change again. In autumn, while it is still warm, light from the sun is not as intense, and the growth and development of plants and animals begins to slow down. In many places in the northern hemisphere, autumn is a time to harvest the crops that have grown and ripened beneath the summer sun. Grass crops are harvested and grapes are picked from the vines. The temperature continues to drop and the leaves of many trees change color. Leaves change color in autumn because deciduous trees receive less sunshine when they need to produce food, and photosynthesis stops. Therefore, the trees have leaves that change color and fall off. When winter arrives, it means that this part of Earth is now tilted away from the sun, and temperatures and sunlight are at a minimum. It also means that summer has arrived in the southern hemisphere. Because conditions are less favorable for living things in winter, growth and development slows down and even stops. During winter, deciduous trees rely on the food they previously produced. This food is stored in their roots. During winter, these trees, as well as many other plants, enter a dormant state. In winter, some animals whose food source is affected by the change in climate migrate or leave for warmer places. These animals sense the change in daylight and temperature and begin their annual migration. Like many plants that lay dormant in winter, there are animals that hibernate. Hibernation is a kind of deep sleep. There are also animals that stay in their natural habitat through the colder months and survive as best they can. Animals such as foxes, deer, and rabbits search for food on the frozen land. Some build snug homes to keep out of the cold. They've learned to adapt or adjust to their ever-changing environment. People adapt too. How do you prepare for autumn and winter? We are all part of this never-ending cycle. When spring returns, the cycle of growth will begin all over again and new life will appear on the earth.